What's good, guys? In today's video, we're playing this game again. I actually met the owner.
Yes, he did.
We got TTC slaps. Alright, so in this video, it's just like gonna be like a chill video. Just gonna run around, have fun, play, be ourselves, you know? So make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get on the video. He's actually charging his headset right now, if you guys want to know.
I have to check my phone. Hold up. I'm checking my phone real quick. I'll check my phone real quick. Yep.
Oh, wait.
Did he ever respond?
Don't mind this guy. This is my friend right here on like, but y'all like my skin? Comment W skin. Iceberg, if you're watching, comment W skin, because this is freaking fire. I love it. Comment W skin on him, too. Wait, what's in here? I forgot. I don't know what's in here.
Sorry.
Oh, that's the parkour
you?
course. I'm in the parkour course in here.
Yo, let's go do it. Yo, I gotta make sure my headset is charging. It is not charging, indeed. I don't know why.
It's gonna be hard for you.
I think. You ready? I'm about to use one hand for this one.
Oh, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
I gotta remember, right when I hit that button, it'll start. 3, 2.
Wait. No. I died.
Oh, I have to use 2 hands. I'm gonna lock in. I'm scared.
You're scared? Wait. Oh, he's locking in. No.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not doing it, though. It's too hard.
Yeah, I'm not doing it either. It's too hard.
It's not hard, it's just I don't want to do it, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, what do we do, honestly?
We can go to the horde map.
If anybody's in. My headset's charging, though.
Oh yeah, we can
Yo,
go
wanna
to.
see if anybody's in. I'm gonna go to servers to see if anybody's in these servers. Yo, nobody's in here. Nobody's in here.
Nope.
Go on server 1. Go on server. No one.
Nope.
Alright.
No one's in.
Let's just stay in this server.
Okay.
I wanna know what something is here.
Oh shoot.
What is this?
Oh, that's gonna be like a new
What?
game mode.
Does it work?
No.
Yeah, you can go on that. Maybe.
The only up is pretty easy.
Yeah, but I can't. Really. Yo, bro.
Yeah.
I might get mod in a Gorilla Tag fan game.
Nice. I might get Finger Painter in a Gorilla Tag fan game.
Same.
Hold up, I gotta drink my
Yo, did you
Sprite.
see my video that I uploaded?
Yeah, I saw it. W videos.
Fast tag. You wanna play? You wanna play fast tag?
Sure. I just uploaded a video on there too.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, well thank you guys for watching. Hopefully make sure you like and subscribe and see you on the next video.